Divide the squash into 3 parts. Then remove the middle part that contains the seeds. Then peel the skin of the squash. Cut off the ends of the eggplants. Cut the eggplant in half and slice it diagonally and thinly. Slice the okra diagonally. Divide it into 3 parts. Remove the middle part that looks like a sponge. After that, slice the bitter melon diagonally. Cut off the ends of the string beans and slice them into 1-inch length. Then, slice the squash diagonally into slightly thin pieces. Remove the water spinach leaves from the stems. Peel the onion, then thinly sliced it. Up next, the garlic. Peel it, then finely chop. Add a small amount of oil to the pan. Sew the garlic and onion. Add 2 tablespoons of shrimp paste and sew it. Add the sliced bitter melon. Next, add the string beans, okra, water spinach leaves, a bit of water. Cover and cook for about 25 minutes. Open and add 1 piece of Knorr shrimp cube. Add the sliced eggplant. Slice squash. Cover it again and let it cook for another 20 minutes. It's now ready for plating. My Bulanglang recipe, delicious and very healthy. If you enjoyed watching my video, don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Tap the notification bell for more recipes to come.